What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You saw we got them. I actually bought them 2 days before Nike did the shock drop. We've got the Legend Blue 11s here. I had bought them below retail from GOAT literally 2 days before. Then they shock dropped. And I mean, it's fine. I still paid less than I would have paid buying them from Nike. And they're still below retail. It's crazy. They made like 1 million pairs. It was inevitable. It was going to happen. I'm pretty excited. We'll check them out. Let's kick it. So here we have it. Typical stuff for an 11. My true size 8.5, white, Legend Blue, and black. Let's check them out here. We'll put that lid right there. Wax paper. Let's grab the first one. Boy, this is such a clean look. Now, I've never owned any of the previous releases of this sneaker, but here we have it. White patent leather. Got an icy blue outsole with that. They call it Legend Blue, but that's University Blue, Carolina Blue. On the carbon fiber shank plate, Phylon midsole, full-length air unit inside, and this extremely cheap-looking pleather. It's vinyl. That's not. That's not leather. That's not. It's vinyl. It sure doesn't feel like leather. It doesn't look like leather. Looks like vinyl with a polyurethane coating. I mean, it is what it is. And then we got the nylon straps, embroidered Legend Blue Jumpman, printed 23 here on the back, which this is basically like nylon and polyester and stuff like that. They don't have the metal tips, though. That's kind of disappointing. No metal tips. I mean, it is what it is. Is it just me, or does the tongue seem a little shorter? Well, it does. It is perfectly, almost perfectly symmetrical right there. But we do have in University Blue, they can call it Legend Blue all they want, Jumpman Jordan tag right there in the middle. Let's see what we're working with here. We are going to loosen these bad boys up, and now I would love polyurethane, but I'm expecting Dream Cell. Let's see what we got. Yay, polyurethane. Why do I always make such a big deal out of that? These are so much more comfortable. They're so much more springy. There's so much more feedback and energy return. They're squishy, but they bounce back quickly. Got the Nike Air sock liner. Because these are an original colorway, so it's nice to see that we actually got a freaking polyurethane. You see, when I complain, I'm like, you got them, Nike. Why the hell not? Black Cement 3s didn't have this. That's an original colorway, and they had polyurethane insoles. I don't know why this was not in the Black Cement 3. I'm so glad it's in here, though. I am. I'm very much happy. Gotta get the light in there. You can see the strobel. You can feel that air sole. Oh, these are gonna be so comfortable. That makes me so happy. It really does. Plush enough coming around the collar. It's not super thick or anything like that, but oh, this makes me so happy because I can feel the air. The full-length air sole, and then we have polyurethane on the insole. Man, this is great. This is great. These are going to be so comfortable. I have tomorrow, recording this, we have a lot of stuff we're going to be doing out and about. I'm rocking these tomorrow. I'm not rocking these to the gym today. I'm not doing cardio in these and all that stuff. But that toe-down view, that's a money shot right there. Never owned these. I have the Gratitudes as far as current medium, mid-tops. I've got the Space Jam lows. I've got the Diffuse Blue lows. I've had the regular Space Jams in the past. I've never owned the Concords. Next time they come around, I'll get them. But the only mid-tops I've had prior to the ones I have currently is I had the Space Jams. Shoot, what release was that? 08 or something like that? It was a long time ago they released them. I had the Space Jams. I'm sure a lot of people are going to have these. I know there's a lot of content out on social media. A lot of people got them early and all these different things. But, man, I'm just eager to get these on feet and see what they look like when I do the toe-down view. You've seen them on my feet briefly so far. I have not. So I'm ready to get to that portion. This is a clean look, and if you're a North Carolina fan like myself, that makes this a must, especially if you like the 11. this is a must cop. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe before you leave. Catch you on the next one.